What's up, Slay Squad? It's your girl K Beauty, and I'm back with another video. Today's video is sponsored by UNice hair. I don't know if it's UNice or UNice. I heard a lot of people say UNice, but it looked like UNice to me. But they was able to go ahead and send me a T-part wig, a 16-inch, and it has like these highlights in the front. I really love this hair. If you have not checked out the video of me crimping this hair, go ahead and check out that video. So I pretty much crimped this hair. I styled it, and this wig already came pre-plucked, but I did go ahead and do some extra plucking, and then I went ahead and laid down some baby hairs. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, continue watching this video. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup and apply this wig today. So I'm just gonna use this Got To Be glued spray, and I'm just gonna spray my hairline right here. And then I'm just gonna blow dry that. Okay, so you want to blow dry that spray until it's like sticky, and then you're just gonna pull down the lace and lay it on there. Lay that down like so, and then spray some more spray. And blow dry on a cool setting. I'm actually gonna use this head wrap that came with the hair. This is so nice. It's really long. Hey, I love it. But I don't like how the name is not directly in the middle. It should be directly in the middle. But I'm just gonna tie this around my head, my hairline, so this could dry. I don't want to do it too tight because I don't want it to mess up my curls. Okay, so let's get into this makeup. I already moisturized and primed my face, and I did my brows as well. If you want a detailed brow tutorial, I do have one of those videos, so make sure you check that out. Okay, so we're just gonna get into foundation. For foundation, I'm gonna mix my NARS foundation, and this is the color. And then I'm gonna mix it with this Maybelline Fit Me foundation as well. And this is the color. So the Maybelline Fit Me, I'm just gonna apply that to the bottom half of my face. And then I'm going to use this NARS on the rest of my face because it's a little lighter. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out. So if you apply your foundation in like a smooth way like I did, it's gonna be easier for you to blend out that foundation. So let me just go ahead and blend this in. Okay, so for my concealer, I'm gonna use my Born This Way concealer in the shade Tan. And I'm gonna use that to just apply a little bit here, under my eyes, chin, and forehead, of course. I'm gonna take a Real Technique brush and go ahead and blend that out. And then I'm gonna use some Maybelline. I'm gonna use this Maybelline Stay concealer as well. I'm just gonna brighten my under eye some more. And I'm only putting it right here in this area. Put a little bit more down here, and then of course on my forehead. And go in and blend that out. And then just go over it with the Beauty Blender just to make sure everything is nice and blended. Okay, so I'm going to use my Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette in this second shade here. I'm just gonna use my small compact brush. Go ahead and use this as a contour. I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier setting powder. Go ahead and set the concealer. I really love this setting powder. It's so lightweight, very smooth. It leaves a flawless finish. See how that just went on there on my face so smooth? You only need a little bit too. You don't need to put too much. Make sure you get them smile lines. I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm just gonna set the remaining of my face. I love me some contour now, so I'm gonna just deepen up this contour a little bit. I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Blush Trio, and I'm gonna take this color here and put a little blush. Yes. Make sure you blend it into that contour so it's nice and seamless. Yes. All right. Okay, so I just applied some more concealer to my lids, and I blended that out, and then I put some setting powder on my lids. Now I'm just gonna go in with my 3503 Fierce by Nature palette, and I'm gonna use this color first. This color here in my crease. And then I'm gonna take this color down here. Yeah, I'm gonna take this color right here. Or should I do? Yeah, I'm gonna take this color here. I'm just gonna put that right on top of that first shade. And I'm just gonna go back in with that first shade. I'm gonna take some P. Louise base in the color Rumor number 1. So I'm gonna take that P. Louise Rumor base number 1 and just go ahead and cut my crease. Okay, so I went ahead and completed this eye. I cut the crease, and then I applied some NYX glitter primer all over my lid. And then now I'm just gonna go in with this color here. Very pretty, this shimmer color. And I'm just gonna pack that all on my lid. All right, and then I'm just gonna take some of that first color and just go in and soften up the edges. Boom. Okay, so now that I'm done with my makeup, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace, and then hey, slayed. So let me just start by cutting in the middle like that, and then we're just gonna do period. All right, y'all, so that's pretty much wraps up this video. I would love to know your comments. Be sure to let me know in the comments how you feel about this hair and this makeup, because I am feeling it. Your girl slayed per usual. Hey, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.